wish you a ripper Christmas, a full bore ripper Christmas.
Dashing through the bush in a rusty Holden ute, kicking up the dust, esky in the boot, Kelpie by my side, singing Christmas songs. It's summertime and I am in my singlet, shorts and thongs. Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Christmas in Australia on a scorching summer's day. Hey! Jingle bells, Christmas time is beaut. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a rusty Holden ute.
Play some cricket, have a piss up, beep, 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 beep. Leave your wives and go to a strip club.
Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer? Fuck off. Try Kenny the koala on for size.
Kenny the cool koala couldn't fucking dodge my ute. Now he's roadkill. Fuck the Melbourne Storm, their assholes couldn't score a try for shit. Meat pie, meat pie, meat pie with barbecue sauce. The 5th day of Christmas my family gave to me socks and a tie neck from the wife Woolworths gift card. Fucking load of shit.
And what was the price tag? $550 million. That was of council's money, and that doesn't include any potential state or federal additions to the funding. Okay. And what was there a breakdown to bridge as well? Or? It's sort of been developed because we had the 5 bridges were initially announced. The locations were all announced. There was one at Kangaroo Point, Breakfast Creek.
Yeah, her mom's getting picked up. Her mom's picking her up.
Fair dinkum. How ridiculous. How ridiculous.
Where was he going? To the heaven?
I don't know. But that was absolutely ridiculous.
You were just feeling confident. Not romantic, but because you've been practicing all day.
Whoa!
It's nice when you can just escape the daily grind. And it's nice when you find a product you love, like Australia's own plant-based milk. Almond, rice, soy and coconut. Rich, delicious and creamy, unsweetened, and Australia's own is certified organic. So why not take a moment to fill up on nature's good stuff today? Grab Australia's own plant-based milk at your supermarket. Australia's own, nurtured by nature.
What a fucking jerk. Oh, righto, mate. Make your own lane. Fucking stupid bitch. You've got no idea what you're doing. What are you doing? Fucking knew that. I knew it was going to do a U-turn. Who's here for a red light?
I'm in a high-speed pursuit. I gotta barbecue your ass in molasses.
Whoa. Wow. Can you cut that any further, Peter?
That was worth the footage. What are they going to do this time? Can we catch it?
Oh, twice.
Oh, yes! Oh, can we be on a hat trick?
Oh, for sure.
Slow down, slow down. We're going to get this on footage.
Yeah.
We're going to get the footage. Go on, here we go.
Oh, even more. Hat trick.
Got him.
That's for Scotty.
Bring me everyone. What do you mean everyone?
Big copper.
Yeah, it is.
Yep, sure is.
Pulling that bloke over.
Must have.
Another one.
Yeah. I wonder what.
He's doing a bit of a glitch on things, I think.
By the sounds of it.
A few moments later.
There's coppers up here too.
Holy shit!
They're having a real blitz.
Frick.
Going somewhere.
Yeah, I was going to say, I hope. Yeah, I was going to say it's not a long weekend or something, is it?
No.
Oh.
What's going on?
I'm going to send that one to Scott's Car Cams for sure. That's the Rock.
Might be a big drug run. Must be a big drug bust.
Bloody hell.
Now let's not forget though the shitbag titty fuck of the week.
We're discussing first hour. Leone says, with regards to electric vehicles, what happens when governments don't get their usual petrol tax into our pockets for something else, I guess. She said the other thing is that these cars need little maintenance, which is good for the buyer, but what does it mean in terms of the car mechanic? Could it mean the death of them?
Okay, so the Land Cruiser's
Also,
up on the Armco railing. That's interesting.
Which holds 25 years penalties in jail.
Police hope the latest...
Oh, you're a bloody goose, aren't you?
...uncover evidence to solve the case.
Now to visit my grandfather's grave and pay my respects and continue to share these memories with my own children and grandchildren. The First World War remains the costliest conflict of Australian lives and casualties. With a country fewer than 5 million, 416,000 men enlisted, of which more than 60,000...
You have no fucking idea, do you? Absolutely no fucking idea.
Been checked over in hospital last month, missing a Remembrance Sunday service because of a...
Oh, you've got to be fucking kidding me.
She received the British military commander, General Nick Carter, at Windsor Castle, speaking to reporters.
Did you see the chair I picked up?
Yeah, Mrs. reckons it's a bit wonky.
It is, but...
Where's this dickhead going?
Mate, but I take...
What are you going, dickhead? Fucking hell. No fucking idea.
Possessing unauthorised brevet firearms, 7 counts possessing or using a brevet weapon without a permit, and 4 counts possessing unauthorised...
Another one. Doesn't even look. I love them. That's 2.
Urine character.
For a sales train wreck over Christmas because they have no idea what rules the Palaszczuk government will enforce for vaccinated and the vaccinated.
Yeah, it's fucking unbelievable.
Bonanza, the latest chamber of commerce in history.
He's not gonna stop, he just took a red light.
It's okay. I'll send it to Scotty.
Damn. I can't see fucking shit out of this thing. Oh. Oh shit.
Christmas, a full bore ripper Christmas, a dead set ripper Christmas, and a snappy New Year, and a snappy